Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix internet connection in Windows 7, 8 and 10. So guys, this is very easy and simple method. First you need to click on start. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Now type this command line. Type this first command line. You copy it to Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Paste and click on enter. Again copy. Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste. Again copy. Ctrl C to copy. Press enter and Ctrl V to paste and again press enter. Now you see this this is enable. You see this was enable. So now close it and restart your PC. Or so thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.